What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am going to do an eye look using some new eyeshadows that I recently got. I was unaware of these and my friend showed them to me and I was in love, and that was all she wrote. And these are JD Glow, and so I'm going to show them to you and let you know what the names of these are. I will swatch them all for you, but I think I'm going to do a different look for each one. They're that beautiful. This one is called N-SANE. This one is called Good God. This one is called Opal. This is called Peacock. And this is called Fairy Acid. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. This one is N-SANE. Next one is Opal. Next is Good God. I think this is my favorite one. It is stinking gorgeous. Next is Peacock. I guarantee you cannot see these incredible shifts that these things give. I hope that the lights are doing them justice. I don't think it is. I'm trying to show you different angles where you can see all the coolness of these, and the last one is called Fairy Acid. So flippin' gorgeous. So today I have to go to the gym. Therefore, I do not want to look like I'm going to the prom. So I thought I would choose the tamest one to do a look with today. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use Opal. I am going to use the Profusion Bangin' Pinks palette that I got for my birthday. And I'm going to go probably into these two shades just to do some matte work, and then I think I'm going to make a beautiful cut crease with Opal. So it'll be slightly simple but still really beautiful and really highlight and focus on the JD Glow. And I didn't say so, but these are from the Galaxy collection. Welcome to my face. Knows all my strength, knows all my weakness. Reminding me that I was a child. Reminding me that I'm coming home. I am coming home. I wanna lay on these old streets. I wanna stay here for a while. I wanna go to where we used to. I wanna do the things that we used to do. 'Cause I'm coming home. 'Cause you are my home. Yeah, yeah. My sweet, sweet home. Oh, my brother's in the backyard. My mama's standing guard. My father's on the boulevard with my sister in his arms. And now she's older, a little bolder. She's still resting on his shoulders so that she doesn't miss a thing. Way above the crowd she sits and sings that I'm coming home. He is coming home. I wanna lay on
these aching bones. It's so nice to know. I wanna lay on these old streets. I wanna stay here for a while. I wanna go to where we used to. I wanna do the things that we used to do. 'Cause I'm coming home, 'cause you are my home. Yeah, yeah, my sweet, sweet home. There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and in this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright, take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and in this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Killing time, you and hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and in this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Oh, oh. Killing time. You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string. And now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way in the madness of New York.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt that been grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. In Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, they don't care.
All right, guys, that is it for me. I really was surprised at how blue this eye look turned out, or how blue the opal shade turned out, but it's so shimmery and so pretty. So pretty. The next time I use it, I think I'll do use some glitter glue, because there is a little bit of fallout, so I thought maybe if it was glitter glue, it may be even more vibrant, but I think it's beautiful. But if you enjoyed watching my process, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. You don't want to. You don't. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.